Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be walking through a complete coding solution to a very interesting problem. We will breaking down step by step, cover the logic and explain everything clearly so you can understand it easily. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for placement, that is going to be super helpful. So let's dive into the topic. What the program is, what the common factor of x comma y and y comma z. So what is common factor? If you know definition, please comment it. Common factor is a number that is shared as a divisor by two or more number. So for example, number 12 and 18. Consider the number 12 and 18. The common factors are, what is the factor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? I will explain clearly. As you all know, the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, and then factor of 18 is same 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Here, common factor means both number have the same factor. What are the common factor here? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the common factor. Okay. Common factor is called greatest common divisor. Okay. Common factor is also called greatest common divisor. It also called greatest common divisor that you are all know GC. Okay, the program question is program must accept three integers, that is x, y and z as the input. Program must find the common factor of x and y. Program must find the common factor of y and z. Finally, the program must print all the factor obtained in the descending order as the output. It's very simple problem. First, here three integers get as input. So how to first find the common factor x and y. That is the number x is divisible by some number and also the same number also divisible by y. By y. I will clearly explain it. One. I will clearly explain it. That is if the number 80. Okay. Another number is 4. If this number divisible by 2 means this also divisible by 2. If both of them, both x and y is divisible by same number means consider that number and then store it into one array. Likewise, we have to find for x and y common factor and then y and z common factor and then finally we print that numbers in descending order. See here xy is boundary condition is 10 power 7. So our test case in our program is they must surely give up to the numbers from up to 10 power 7. Okay, so you write the logic for it also suitable for one number 1 lakh to everything. For all test case our program should work. See here, if input 2480 means these are the designing factor. First what we do, find common factor for x and y, next common factor for y and z. Common factor for x and y, that is 2400 is 1, 2, 4. And then common factor for 180s are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay. Then what we have to do, find the descending order. So arrange these numbers into the descending order, that is 20, 10, 5. This is the output. Okay. So now I will display the program. First we import the utility header file for getting the input from the user and also for using the scanner class. Okay. For using the scanner class, it present inside the utility class. Okay, so inside the main function, I used the scanner class for getting input, and then this xy is using s dot next int of y next int of we getting the input. Example, our input is like 40, 15, 45, 24. So integer. So only next int of. If our input is float means this way. Our input is like this means what? We use the float. Like this, we have to get the input float. F is equal to scanner object. Next, float of. Sorry. Okay, this is the way we have to get the for float value as input. So first we have I said I used a and b as two variable. Why I using this condition? Because if our number is 15, consider this example, number is 45, 15, 5, sorry, 15, 45, 24. So first first condition they give is find the common factor of x and y. So if we're finding the common factor for this four number, we using this loop. Of course, we using the loop only, but we have to end the loop. So how we end the loop? Using this, if I finding this two common number, which one is greatest, up to that our loop is must going on. So only I find two largest number, that is x and y. Which number is largest? That value stored into the variable a. See, this is the ternary operator. It is very simple way we can write our conditions. Okay, next find the y. For y is it, find which number is largest and store the values into the variable b. Here I using the array list for store the common factor into this array. Here you all have doubt why I am using this, sorry, using this array list. Why we not use a simple array method? You all have doubt. I will clearly explain while I am showing the output. Okay. If I am using this array list, the size is dynamic. So it dynamically growing the size of the array. So here using the loop. This loop is for finding the common factor of, okay. This loop is for, first loop is for the finding common factor for x and y. X and y. So here from 1 to up to a. That is I find the largest value for x and y. So loop is from 1 to a. If x mod I and y mod I both are divisible means I add it into the array. So likewise for b, for y and z. Next our task is find the common factor for y and z. So far I am using the while loop, and then condition is I less than b. Up to b, the loop is continue the process. So y mod I equal 0 and then z mod I. If both I is both divisible by x and y means we add it into the array. Okay, here next what is our process? What? We have to print the array in display array in descending order. Okay, so only we use the built-in function, that is using collection concept, sorry, built-in functions, that is collection dot sort of. Actually simply this collection dot sort of array, if I give means, see, I will explain it here. Collections dot sort of array, what it do? It simply arrange the array elements in ascending order. But we want what? We want descending order. So only we use collections dot sort of array comma. For descending order, we have the function, that is collections dot reverse order of. Okay. So this what to do? Simply arrange the array elements in descending order. So this is the thing we need. How to display the common factor in descending order. So using the for each loop, I displayed in descending order. So, okay, now I execute this. You clearly understand why I am using the array list concept here. Explain very detailed and clearly. Class name is hello.java. Okay. First we have to compile our Java file. After compilation, one class file is created. Okay. That class file we have to run. Oh, you sorry. Access caps. Hello. Okay. It asks the input. What our sample test case 2420. You give that. Okay. 2480. So you see here, it display the descending, shorted descending order common factor output is good. Okay, if I use the array concept, okay, for array list it correctly give. If I using the array means what? See, int array is equal to new int of give the sizes 100 or okay, no need to move on to large number. I say give the sizes as 10. For array list, how we do this process? Int 0 for I. So array of C++ is equal to I store the value. Okay. Array of C++ equal to I. Here I is equal to 0 and I less than array dot len I plus plus system dot out dot println. Okay. Okay. Now I run this code. You see what's the difference? I'm using that array list in my code. Oh, sorry. This concept, while using the array list only, our collection classes we can use. Otherwise, arrays dot short of array dot length minus 1. It is very simplest way. From length to we move on to 0. Okay, now I am running this. Compile successfully, and then if I run, it asks the input. I give 2480. Now you see the difference. Okay, see here. Here in this largest value, it displays as 10. That is extra number it display in this array. Why? Because in this method, in Java, in this int array of this method, it has the one. It has first. That is wait in Java. In Java, integer array by default it has the value of 0. That is I take one example. That is, if the array values like this only, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. By default, it have this value only. So only here it displays the 0 because we have the factors 9 factor only, so it's stored from first to 9, and then remaining 0 is it display as automatically. That is if I for because I give the size is 10, so it has 10 0 in this array. It replaces first 9 zeros only, remaining 0 is considered as the array value only in Java. If I using this array concept means like this. So it's not dynamic, it is static because we fixed the size as 10. So only this problem occurs. So if our array is dynamic means it dynamically growing. Whether if it has the extra, no, it does not have any extra space. Okay, here see we have extra space. See if I short this in ascending order means how it will come 0, 1, 1. The 0 is moved in front. So in static array, it considers the 0 as a one element. It not remove the empty space by automatically. So only I am using that concept. So only I am using the array list concept. Okay. I think you everyone will know about why I am using the array list instead of using the simple array concept. So for this reason only I am using the array list. It is the efficient ways to solve the program. If you have any other optimized means, don't no problem. You comment in the comment box. I will see. Everyone who seen my video, they also know about the this way. Also, we have to solve this problem. So they also know the multiple approach of solving this problem. So that's it for today video. I hope you found the explanation clear and the solution helpful. If you enjoyed this content or learning something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such coding tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestion for future topics, drop them in the comment below. I will surely explain it very clearly. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next video. Happy coding.